I think that's like a third. It's like a third.
What? I know. Oh, pretty.
Wait, do you have my lighter?
I do.
You do?
Yes. Boom. Ah, my knife.
Go get it in fireworks at all.
No.
That'll be fine. That'll be fine. Just like, you're like not in the lock, you know? It like fell and it just started to hit the person. Or like if they hit like a box of fireworks. That happened 1 year actually.
Really?
It happened 1 year.
That's insane. Oh, there's one way over there.
I'm gonna sit by you.
Hey, it's me. Ow. Ow. Move your fat butt.
Would you like to scoot? Come on, guys. Oh, wait, you're sitting on your wallet.
That's okay.
He's also sitting on me, which
Okay.
is also me.
You okay, Owen?
There you go. There's like a rock.
Oh, better.
My knife. No, not that way.
What? I didn't
She
even
didn't
think that way.
think of that. You did.
What? I can't look at them both at the same time.
Yeah, you can. One eye over here, one eye over there.
That
Go like
doesn't
this, go like
work.
this, go like this. Woo, woo, woo. Look at that over there.
Whoa, from over there. What the heck is that?
It's like surrounding it. It's amazing.
Wait, is this Mount Carroll's fireworks and that's someone else's fireworks?
No,
No, they're both Mount
they're
Carroll's?
both.
I think both of those are, but like some of them are really
Yeah,
far
over
off.
there are some other people.
Yeah.
That might
Why are
be
they doing this
different.
so differently?
That's like they have property on it.
Your dog's gonna be freaking out.
Like what?
Her dog's gonna be freaking out.
Wait, which dog?
Whoa.
But you haven't met this one. Her name's Tiny.
They got another one?
Yep.
Yeah. She was freaking out before.
Yeah, and those are only like small ones.
Like that water thing, except in private. That's how it's supposed to be.
Boom, boom. That was like almost at the same time.
Oh.
Boom. I want them out of here. I like the log ones, I just don't like the bright.
Why?
I agree with you there. That makes me want to
It
just take
hurts
my
my
glasses and
eyes,
even if it is nighttime.
Close over there, brother.
Yeah, like right there. That makes me want to go shoot.
There we go.
Everybody's I'm not doing anything. I'm just going down.
Gemma,
What?
I saw
Look
that
at my
smile.
So whatever.
Why'd you pinch me?
They can, because I love you.
I love you too. Doesn't mean you can abuse me. God.
You abuse me.
No, I don't. You're a liar.
So, you smacked my leg. Really hard.
That's me showing my appreciation.
Well, then I can show my appreciation by pinching you.
My shoulder still hurts from where you bit me.
Really?
Yeah. No, but it hurts.
Really? Did I really bite you that hard?
Yes.
Sorry, I was drunk.
I'm so sorry.
Really drunk.
Me?
Yes.
Yeah. We got rid of you before we did it.
I was gonna call you.
Just wait, Jana. Wait, I'm having a party soon. You're invited very soon.
If it's like,
Way to leave me out.
Not next weekend, but the weekend.
Oh!
You're my kid.
Then you're getting drunk with me.
Oh, right. Okay, give me 5.
And he is a new friend.
I love you, Tia.
Come join the fun. Ooh. We are literally right in front of them.
you miss.
They are on top of us.
I'm telling you.
I don't want to look at those ones. Those ones are busy. Busy bumblebees.
Good thing I have my glasses on now. Those ones look bright.
They are.
Starting to get. Oh shit! Yeah, they are bright.
Keep the glasses on, especially if you have that like vampire instinct.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yes, it was. What?
I hear when they say the break good.
Yeah, they should have it set up.
One.
They should have this functioning where that one does it, and then when they need to pause, the other one goes.
Like
Oh, I'll be pissed off if it is.
you have an hour to get here.
We're hanging out afterwards, so it doesn't matter.
Are you guys hanging out at our place?
I think my mom wants to.
Okay, you can come with me over. My grandma and grandma are there.
Your grandma? You call her your grandma?
No, I don't call her my grandma. I do that. Just like I call Wayne and my mom my parents. It's just
Yeah, I know it does depend.
what's that?
I'm getting ready.
Ah! Oh, I got grass in my hand. My phone, by the way.
You're my phone.
I wish I could be your phone. Then you could.
Keep the glasses on, and then
Oh, that was.
Oh,
That was
totally,
long.
Jana.
you can see
Just kidding.
really well.
I don't wish I was your phone.
Hey, will you text him back for me?
Sure. What do you want me to say?
I don't know. Hit it and reply how you think you should. Oh no, don't zoom in all the way, you biatch.
Which way do I go? Do I go up?
Yeah.
Okay, lucky. Haha. But no, she had to go back about it.
Yeah. Wow. I like it. Ow! It got me.
I'm gonna lay down now.
I don't know what to say, Sierra. I'm not going to get back to it.
Get it here.
Hey, you. Having fun?
Fireworks! Fireworks!
It's more fun when you get to stand underneath them and light them on.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Oh, I have to sit up again.
Okay. These are the last ones I'm recording.
Why?
And you can suck my penis.
Haha, suck my. Never mind.
Okay.
Oh,
She said something about. Oh, that.
Get out of the way!
I'm moving. I'm just having malfunction.
The school is on fire.
That'd be
Oh,
so
no.
funny.
Too bad we don't go to that school. No,
Damn.
not really.
Remember when we had those pamphlets? Oh,
Yeah.
shouldn't have done that.
I know someone who did some of them. I can't help.
Because I'm recording and they could get
It has
caught.
to do with my friend. My best friend, my other best friend besides you and my Carol. So you know who that is. But I didn't tell you.
So he did one, but not at this.